Hey guys, happy Friday. We got a new kit to look at. This is Revell's 1968 Dodge Charger RT Special Edition from 2008. Here's this side of the box. You can build it one of three ways. I think I'm going to build the Hemified version. But let's take a look at the inside the box. The box is heavy. It's got a lot in it. Alright, here's our chrome tree. With our Kragers. Valve covers, air cleaner. Dual carburetors. Here's our stock tires. Our drag slicks. Our glass, which I'm going to leave in the package. Here's our hubcaps if we want to build the stock version. Here's our second chrome tree with our Charger wheels, our grill, our bumper, shifter, wiper blades, here's our stock rims. Here's our engine block, our fan wheel backs, exhaust, intake, stock air cleaner. Here's our other engine. So two complete engines. Wheel backs, headers, roll cage. Wow, it even looks like it comes with the engine stand. That's cool. Here's our interior pan, our door panels, nicely molded, our bench seat, radiator hoses, shocks, Here's our chassis. Bucket seats in the front. Here's our reds. Transmission, dashboard, rear end, pulleys. Oh, look, it's even got the heater hoses. That's cool. Very cool. Here's our firewall. The back end of the charger. Dry shaft. Here's our exhaust, front assembly or spindles, radiator, shroud, got two hoods, one with a hood scoop, our center console. Here's our decal sheet with our Hemified decals on them. You can also do red line tires. Here's our decal sheet. So you can build it this way. Hemified drag car. Or you can build the street version. Or the stock charger. It's cool that it comes with an engine stand though. So you can build a stock or street 440 or a 426 Hemi. Last but not least, here's our body. Molded very nicely. Yeah, so I'm going to start on this tonight. See if I can get everything back in here the way it was. So you guys all have a great day. If you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to. According to my analytics, 70% of my viewers are not subbed. We're inching closer to... We're getting close to 600. But you guys all have a good one. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.